Okay, realtors, today I'm going to teach you about a useful tool you can use to schedule out your Instagram content. Hey there, I'm Figiel with Systematize Your Social. I'm a realtor with my husband, Zach, and we've also built our business with the power of social media, but without any of the wasted time. And I'm so passionate about teaching realtors just like you how to create a rock solid social media strategy and how to systematize their businesses. On last week's blog episode, we talked about the importance of batching your content to stay consistent on social media. So this week, let's take a little bit deeper dive into a tool that I use to plan out specifically my Instagram content. The tool I use is called Plann, P-L-A-N-N, and there's a free version and a paid version, and I just use the free version. So I'm gonna show you that. So one thing about Instagram that's really important is the overall look and feel of your grid. So you want it to kind of have the same vibe throughout so it's cohesive and looks really nice. So what I love about Plann is that it shows you how your grid is looking, so you can kind of keep track and make sure everything's fitting and looking nice on there. Also, it streamlines a few things like keeping track of your hashtags in the hashtag sets. So I'll show you what the hashtag sets look like in Plann, but before I do that, let's talk about hashtags quick. So on Instagram and some other platforms, people like to use hashtags. That's like with a little pound sign. You probably have seen them before. So people follow certain hashtags, or you can search certain hashtags. So when you use the correct hashtags for your post content, it's more likely that your post is going to be seen by a wider audience. So they're a really useful thing to use. However, I can't tell you how much time I've wasted, like forgetting which hashtag I should use for which thing. So I have to go in and search and kind of do some research on which ones are going to be the best depending on what type of content I'm posting. So the fact that Plann keeps track of your hashtag sets is a super useful tool to help you save time. So let's check it out. I'm going to show you my iPad, which is the app version. There also is like a website version. So if you like to type in stuff on your computer, that's an option for you as well. But let's check it out. So if you go down and click on the Plann app, it'll pull up your grid. So here you can see how all of your photos are looking on your Instagram grid, which is pretty cool. Now, if you click on this little plus button in the bottom corner, you can upload a photo. So I'm gonna upload this photo I took into my grid, as you can see here. So it populates into that. When you click on that photo, that's where you can add your caption. So I'm just gonna copy and paste because it's easier that way. From here, I'm going to click copy, post. So that's going to copy everything to my clipboard, and then it's going to automatically take me back into my Instagram app. You want to click either the story or the feed, wherever you're posting. I'm posting to the feed, so I'm going to adjust it so that it fits right. Then I'm going to click next, and then here you just paste it. And then I just like to put in where I'm located, and then I click share. Ta-da! Okay, so you can also schedule this to be posted on a certain date or time. So if you just click the schedule button at the bottom, you can set a date and a time for when you'd like to post it. It'll either automatically remind you on your phone or iPad, or it'll schedule it for you. Okay, let's go back into the app really quick. I do want to show you one more cool thing. So if you click on this hashtags button at the bottom, it's going to take you into your hashtag sets. So this is a really cool way you can store different sets of hashtags for like sellers or buyers, whatever you need. You can store your hashtags here so that you can keep track of them and you're not overthinking like, oh, what hashtag should I use? Just click on the hashtag set and copy them from there. So there you have it. There's the basics of how to use Plann. I don't get into all of the details of it because it's just not really necessary. So what Plann is great for is really just helping you schedule out your content so it's done and you can set it and forget it, meaning that you don't have to waste a whole lot of time scrolling on Instagram unless you really want to, but you can move on to the more important parts of your business, and your social media is still working for you on autopilot. And stay tuned for next week's blog, which is all about showing up as yourself on social media, which is super, super important. And a bonus, don't forget, if you haven't done so already, click the link below to my freebie, which is how you can plan out one whole month of content in just 15 minutes. Huge time saver, huge helpful tool for you. So check it out below. See you later.